Lesson 1.4, Backing Up and Exiting QuickBooks. You want to back up QuickBooks on a regular basis. Even if your computer has a backup program attached to it, you need to go through the QuickBooks backup routine because there's a verification process, and this verification process keeps the QuickBooks data file happy. To back up, we go File, Backup Company, create a local backup, and you want to make sure your options are set correctly. You want to have a file that it's pointed to. I do recommend adding the date and time of the backup, but I recommend you unclick the number of backups. It's just a safety thing. It's good to have as many backups as possible because if you do have a problem, you need to restore back to the file before the problem started. Go ahead and remind yourself to back up every time you close the company file. And this is very important. You want to have complete verification clicked so that any problems with the data file are caught. Go ahead and click OK. Use this location, and I'm not going to do the backup right at this moment. If you use a cloud backup service, you want to back up to your local drive on your computer and then let the cloud service grab the file. In the same way, if you have an external drive that has an automatic backup routine, you want to save locally and let the external drive grab the file. This just prevents problems with the QuickBooks backup file. When you're ready to exit QuickBooks, you want to go to the File, pull-down menu, and then select Exit. You can also close QuickBooks by clicking the X in the top right-hand corner. This will close QuickBooks, but you won't get a warning that it's closing. So be careful if you really intended to close a window versus actually closing QuickBooks. So there you have it, Lesson 1.4, Backing Up and Exiting QuickBooks.